Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for today's 72nd Russian word of the day, Russian word for beginners. Today we are going to learn how to say fridge.
Холодильник. Холодильник. Холодильник.
Well, this is a fun one and there is a lot going on in this word. The first two syllables are pretty straightforward, ha, la, but by the time you get to the third syllable, which is transliterated to almost look like deal, you have two soft consonants in this one syllable, d and l, the end of the syllable. Combining these is kind of difficult for English speakers, so go ahead and try to really work on this syllable, dil. And then it only gets more difficult because the soft l is followed by n, a soft n. Холодильник. Холодильник. Anyway, I'm not even sure that I pronounced it perfectly that time. Go ahead and give it a few more tries here at the end of the video, looking out especially for those soft consonant sounds. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Холодильник. Холодильник. Холодильник.